Welcome to Sir Abrar channel hosted by TD Consultants Gets Technology for Power Grid Transmission. GETs are hardware and software that increase the capacity, efficiency and/or reliability of the transmission grid. Dynamic line ratings determine the true, real-time capacity of power lines, which is almost always higher than the static line ratings used widely today. Advanced power flow control allows operators to reroute power to lines with available capacity, increasing the total power delivered by the system. Topology optimization identifies the best grid reconfigurations to reroute flow around bottlenecks, which helps avoid congestion constraints, and can also delay more costly grid upgrades. The only way to increase grid capacity was to build new transmission lines or upgrade the wires to better conductors. But GETs are the cheapest and fastest way to increase transmission capacity, and these more expensive measures can be avoided or delayed in some cases. When new transmission lines are needed, GETs ensure that the lines are used to their full capacity, which increases the value of the large investment. GETs save money in several ways, primarily by decreasing congestion costs and enabling cheaper generation. Electricity congestion costs customers in the U.S. more than $6 billion per year. These charges arise when a transmission line or other facility doesn't have the capacity to deliver the cheapest electricity anymore, and more expensive generation closer to demand has to ramp up in its place. Congestion is passed on to customers in the form of higher electricity bills, necessary to compensate for more costly generation sources. GETs also make more room on the grid for renewable energy, which doesn't consume any fuel. This means that it is often the cheapest available generation. So, using renewables instead of fossil fuels lowers consumer costs. Thanks for watching TD Consultants.